نحمد صلی علی رسول الکریم. جناب زبیر گل صاحب پریزیڈنٹ PMLN UK، اعجاز گل صاحب چیئرمین PMLN UK، خواجہ ادریس صاحب جنرل سیکرٹری، باقی تمام محترمہ مسز نوادر صاحبہ پریزیڈنٹ ویمن ونگ، مسلم لیگ کے ساتھیوں، دوستوں، بھائیوں، لیڈی اینڈ جینٹلمین، السلام علیکم. میں سب سے پہلے PMLN UK کا مشکور ہوں کہ انہوں نے 25 دسمبر کے حوالے سے، جو کہ پاکستان کی تاریخ میں ایک نہایت امپورٹنٹ ڈیٹ ہے، جس میں جناب بانی پاکستان قائد اعظم محمد علی جناح اور پاکستان مسلم لیگ نون کے قائد جناب میاں محمد نواز شریف صاحب کی ڈیٹ آف برتھ ایک ہے، اور ان کی یہ سالگرہ ہر سال منائی جاتی ہے. آپ ساتھی، I'm sure you are well aware what's going on in Pakistan back home, and as I have been asked to briefly touch upon how things are and where they were and how we see way forward. میں بڑا مشکور ہوں کہ جیسے میں نے عرض کیا کہ آپ نے یہ اہتمام کیا جناب میاں نواز شریف صاحب اور کی سالگرہ منانے کے لیے. میں آپ کو قائد اعظم محمد علی جناح اور قائد مسلم لیگ نون جناب میاں محمد نواز شریف صاحب کی سالگرہ آپ سب کو دل کی گہرائیوں سے مبارکباد پیش کرتا ہوں. میں آپ کے بہاف پہ میں انشاءاللہ میاں نواز شریف صاحب کو بھی آپ سب کی طرف سے مبارکباد کنوے کروں گا. ان کو بڑی اچھی طرح معلوم ہے کہ آپ لوگوں نے، مسلم لیگ نون UK نے اس ایک سٹنگ کا اہتمام کیا ہے، اس فنکشن کا اہتمام کیا ہے، اور میں تمام جو آرگنائزرز ہیں I deeply appreciate their holding this function. Abid Saab has dilated a bit. I'm sure most of you know how things have been in the past, where they were when Muslim League Noon took office in 2013, when Mian Nawaz Sharif Sahab took as Prime Minister, third time Prime Minister of Pakistan. Pakistan was declared macroeconomic unstable country. Pakistan has 18 to 20 hours of load shedding. Pakistan had extremism at peak. Pakistan had very low GDP, and Pakistan had highest inflation before we took part. The average inflation was 12% per annum between 2008 and 2013. Now this is where PMLN took challenge. Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif took oath, and straight away we started our hard work. Pakistan was predicted to go in default within 6 to 7 months. Now this is not something I'm saying today. Everybody knows the record is there in the entire financial world. You can check where Pakistan was in 2013. I think it was Allah's great blessing and Mian Nawaz Sharif Sahab کی leadership, جس میں ہم نے 3 سال کے قلیل عرصہ میں we first time in the history of Pakistan where a dictator could not complete the 12 levels of reforms which are the standard in IMF program. It is the first time in the history of Pakistan, Muslim League Noon, that we completed that program. یہ جو IMF program تھا, even this is quoted today and it is going to be quoted inshallah forever. It was a unique program in which normally in IMF program, even in the West, you have seen Greece, you have seen Spain, you have seen so many countries. Whenever there is an IMF program, the GDP goes down, the inflation goes up, the interest rates go up, and there are difficulties generally in the first 2 years of the 3 years program. Pakistan has never completed in its entire history any IMF program except PMLN under the leadership of Mian Nawaz Sharif. But it is a unique program, as I said. Everything went reversed. The GDP went up 5.8%. the interest rates went down, historically low, 5.25%, export refinance at 3%, long-term finance facility at 3%, the inflation, and particularly food inflation, 2%. Now this was a music to the world international financial institutions. Never in the history of any democratic government that all heads of the international financial institutions would visit to compliment Pakistan. It is our tenure at my invitation as finance minister. World Bank president visited, his managing director visited, who is now the finance minister of Indonesia. Her successor visited Pakistan. MD, IMF Christine Lagarde visited, who is now the European bank's head. Asian Development Bank President twice visited. Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank of China, the president visited. International Finance Commission, IFC, their chief executive visited. Everybody, you name it.